mark. With full conviction, the athlete pursues power, wealth, or fame. For 30 years, the School of St. Anthony has existed for one ultimate purpose, the education of children. Like the fuel that feeds the flames of a torch, the goal of instructing children gives life to the Antonian institution.
What would Olympians be without their coaches? No matter how gifted an athlete, he or she is shaped by the tutelage of mentors. And so, the students of SSA are honed by their inspired parents and teachers. Just as air magnifies fire, Antonian educators empower their prodigies.
Of course, Olympians are cheered on by their countrymen, their fans. Compatriots are known for their friends in support of their athletes. Just like the hand that wields the torch, SSA administrators give vital aid to students, parents, and teachers alike. From 1983 to 2012, the strong pillars of the Antonian community have kept the spark of the school alive. Witness as the union of students, parents, and administrators light the torch as one.
Athletes, mentors, and fans. Just as these characters of the Olympics